Hi everyone, this is Saad Aslam, and in today's video we are going to discuss the comparison between LeetCode and HackerRank. Like if you are new to my channel, so let me tell you that I mostly talk about competitive programming, system design, personal branding, and interview preparation techniques. You can find a complete series on competitive programming. The link will be something above. You can check the link and make sure you can go through all of the videos on competitive programming too. So, Lead Code and HackerRank. So basically, both are the software like coding platforms. So basically, these are used by companies and also software engineers for their interview preparation. So if you like watch this video till the end, you will have a better understanding like what are the pros and cons, or you can say what are the major advantages of using any particular platform. So let's go to our computer screen and see the comparison between all of the two coding platforms. Okay, so here in the screen you can see like I have opened my HackerRank platform. You can like log in with any. You can say I have logged in through my GitHub. So the main thing, the HackerRank is basically used if you are very new to this platform. Like if you are recently started any coding platform, like if you are new to any platform and you want to like start from the very beginning. So HackerRank will be a good option because here you can see there are multiple sections of like interview preparation and problem solving, and it is quite easy to go through all of the problems in the section. So, like main thing I like about HackerRank is the distribution of these sections. So here you can see there is the interview preparation kit of like 69 challenges. Like I have opened fresh accounts for this to make this like you can say videos so that I can give you a better explanation about too. So, like you can start the interview preparation kit depending upon the time you have for the interview preparation. Like if you have 1 week for interview, you can make your interview preparation kit for that. If you have 3 months, you can make your interview preparation kit for 3 months. So the questions will be automatically, you can say, added based on how much time you have for your interview preparation. And comparatively in lead code, what we think like there's no such complete sections for your interview preparation. Like if you have to start from the beginning, like there is not like you can say uh, complete sections. Like if in hackering you can see you have interview preparation kit, problem solving kit, but in lead code there's a section of you can say challenges or contests you have. Okay, you can participate in the challenges or the competitions they have. That is the main thing I like about LeetCode. Like you can participate in any monthly challenges. Like LeetCode have monthly challenges. Here you can see there is in the community, in the post section, there are contests going on. You can participate in that contest, and it is a good way if you have like some prior knowledge of coding questions, and you can participate in the contests and competitions to enhance your knowledge and to make a better understanding of it. Okay, so the main difference is like hackering is the most favorable for companies. Like if any company wants to recruit or any hackathons are to be organized, so HackerRank is a good option because they give a complete interface for companies to recruit their you can say employees. So major companies I have seen that they use HackerRank as a coding platform for the coding interviews. Okay, but on the other hand, LeetCode has comparatively HackerRank, LeetCode has much simple problem statements. Like you can understand the problems easily. Like I in later I will give you a comparison of same question in lead code and in HackerRank. But lead code has much simple understanding of that problem, and HackerRank gives us, you can say, puzzle problem. Like you have to uh, go through all of the scenario and to understand the problem. Okay, so let's just first discuss a problem. So here in lead code we use a problem that is, let me just check, two sum problem. Okay, two sum problem. And in HackerRank we have the same problem as ice cream parlor. Ice cream parlor. Let me just, so giving in searches. Okay, so like the two sum problem we have recently solved it. If you want to have a complete solution of it, I am linking the link of this video above. You can find the link and make sure you can understand the problem thoroughly. So it's just to make a comparison of a same question, both of the two. So white, okay, ice cream parlor. This is the problem. Okay. So let's first go through the HackerRank. Like both are the same problem, but let's check what is the problem statement they have provided. So here you can see the problem statement is something like two friends like to pool their money and go to the ice cream parlor. They always choose two distinct flavors and they spend all of their money. Given a list of prices for the flavors of ice cream, select the two that will cost all of the money they have. Okay. So in the example, they have M is 6 and cost is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we find the two flavors 1 and 5, here you can see the two flavors 1 and 5, then they is equal to the M they have given, the target they have given. Okay, so we have to find like two elements in the array that sum to the target provided. Okay, so it is a complete scenario of it. Okay, but in lead code, the same question is like straight to the point. Like there is no scenario, you no puzzle scenario you have. You just have to go to straight to the point. So given an integer nums and integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. Okay, so yeah, they have given the straight to the point problem statement. Like you have an array of nums and you just have to check the two numbers that sum to the target. So like in HackerRank, there's a puzzle problem. Like if you are new to coding platform, so it will be something quite a bit difficult comparatively in lead code, that is easy to understand and go through. And the major thing, the lead code has much more problems as compared to HackerRank. So let me just go through. Like this is a. Let me just open my profile. Okay. Here in HackerRank, we have like some less number of problems as compared to lead code. But in lead code here we can see we have 584 easy level problems, 1255 medium level problems, and we have 515 hard level problems. So it is near to or more than 2000 problems we have in lead code. Okay, but in HackerRank we have less number of problems. So now let's the main thing I also like about lead code is like it is the it is just a function you are provided. You just have to implement that function. It is like simple to understand the function signature and the statement. But in HackerRank, let me just go through the ice cream parlor again. Okay, and open any question. Okay, see challenges and solve challenge. Okay. So in HackerRank, there's a more. It is more similar to the your ID environment. Like they have imported all of the classes, the result, and the uh, function, and also the main method. Okay, so you just have to implement in that count swaps method, but they have also given you the main method and the classes they have included. But in lead code it is quite simple. You just have to implement your method, and you have to uh, you have not to worry about the other imported classes and all of that stuff. Okay, so mainly lead code is not just limited to the questions we have. Like it has a very good community of developers. Like in the community you can find our other questions out of lead code to like any interview experiences of any candidates. They have shared their experiences, the what are the questions they have received, or other stuff like they have experienced in any interview. So it is LeetCode has a good community of developers and software engineers that you can find. Also, in any question, they have a discussion tab too. Like you can go post your question, discuss, and comparatively, Hacker the discussions and uh, community is more is adding more value. Okay. Similarly, previously one thing we have implemented in our invert by sorry, let me just okay, let me go through here. Invert, okay, invert binary tree. Yeah. So previously we have implemented the invert binary tree in lead code. So the thing is, like when we submit any code in lead code, they give you um, a speed limit, like what is the time complexity or so pace complexity of your solution comparative to others. So it gives you estimate of that too. So it gives you understanding like where my solution is existing, like it is above the submitted solutions. My time complexity is better or not. It gives you an understanding of that too. So let's just we have implemented this in another video. I will link the video above. You can go and check out this video too. So let's just submit this code, and here you can see in the submit tab, you can find the runtime of your algorithm, your problem, your solution, and your memory usage. So it gives you a better understanding like where your solution exists comparative to the other solutions the people have submitted. Okay, so lead code is not just a coding platform. You can say it is a community. Okay, so where you can find and interact with other fellow developers too. And in the explore tab here you can see they have a complete sections of interviews for preparation for the different tech companies like Facebook, Microsoft. They have a complete section of that videos too. So So in short, we can say like HackerRank is more oriented towards getting you to the job. Okay, so like if you want the job, like if you have some, because in coding interviews, mostly companies as use HackerRank, and HackerRank, as we have discussed earlier, they have some scenario-based questions. Uh, uh, so in coding interviews too, they are scenario based courses. So if you want to like have a similar environment to the coding interviews, it is better you prepare on HackerRank. But in HackerRank, sometimes you are not aware of simple what is the problem they are asking. So if you have prepared it on lead code, you have a better understanding of it. What is the problem? What you have to go through, and if you know the problem, you can easily understand the scenario and implement that in the interviews too. So here you can see in the explore section they have a section of top interview questions and system design. And similarly for the companies, like if you want to prepare any for Facebook, for Microsoft, for Google, they have a sections of that. Okay, so it is like I like this about lead code. So, like, there's the basic comparison of two. I hope you understand what you need to prepare. If you are new to the coding platform and if you do not know anything about these platforms, HackerRank will be a good option to start from the interview preparation kits. But if you have some prior knowledge and you have solved a couple of problems on HackerRank, so it will be better that you start doing questions on lead code, because in my playlist on in my series on competitive programming, I'm also going through all of the lead code questions, because it is easy to understand the approach and the questions on lead code comparatively to hacker. Okay, so that's it in today's video. I hope you understand and the basic comparison of the both of the two. You can let me know about your views in the comments. What is you like about both of these platforms and what coding platform you use. So thank you everyone for watching, and make sure to subscribe this channel and all of the YouTube stuff. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.